Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're coming across an error message in the Microsoft Store that reads that there's been an error when attempting to install apps. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing we're going to do is start off by opening up the search menu. Type in WS Reset, best match. You'll come back with WS Reset. Go ahead and open that up. Give that a moment, and then it should launch your Microsoft Store and you should be good to go. However, if you're still having a problem, you can open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. Right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to select Yes. And now into this elevated command line window, type in SFC space /scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so you can see the scan has concluded. At this point, close out of here, and you want to restart your computer at this time. And now that we're back into Windows, hopefully the issue has been resolved and you should be able to use the Microsoft Store without issue. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.